Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Pharmacist Adeline with a new video of a low-carb diet recipe. This week's question is about A1C again. Do you know your A1C level? It is very important. Diabetes is not a joke. It is better to catch it up on time and reverse it naturally, easily with lifestyle than ending up on medications later on when it is too late. And that is the reason I share these videos of low carb diet recipes here to help you stay healthy or to reverse any metabolic disease related to insulin resistance as diabetes, central obesity, hypertension, hyperlipidemia, and others. So please make sure you know your A1C level, and if you do have any question regarding that, just send me a message. So please make sure you do know your A1C, because so many people, actually millions of people, do have pre-diabetes and diabetes and they do not even know they have anything. If you do have any comment regarding that, please drop it into the description box below. Without further ado, please let's get into the recipe, which is the exciting part. Today we are making stir-fried beef teriyaki and cauliflower. It is a balanced, high-protein meal that our body needs to function properly. For this recipe, we do need steak. This is ribeye steak, 400 grams for 2 people. You don't have to use ribeye. You can use your favorite cut of meat. I do like ribeye. Cauliflower rice. I got this one from Whole Foods. Does it taste like rice? Of course not, but it's a very good option if you want to reduce the carbohydrates that the rice has. Sometimes I mix it with rice. I do have cauliflower rice and have normal rice. Teriyaki marinade sauce. I got this one from Giant, and I am going to use about half cup of this teriyaki marinade sauce. Red bell pepper, a very big one. Red onion, I am going to use a half of this medium onion, and some lemons. I do not have any lemon at home, so I will be using this lime. We would also need some black pepper and of course some salt, and that's all we need for this recipe. And the full recipe is also going to be listed in the description down below. Let's prepare the food now. The steak is perfectly washed. Let's cut it into small pieces. And you can tell that I didn't trim this steak out. You can trim yours if you want to. I do like fat in my meat. It makes it tasty. And here we go. I am going to marinate this beef only with this teriyaki sauce and black pepper. That's it. I'm not going to put anything else inside. This is only teriyaki sauce and black pepper. And I don't have any gloves at home, and I do not want to use my pan, so I am using this small spoon. You can let it sit for about 1 to 2 hours before frying it. This is ready for me right now for my fry pan. Let's slice the pepper. Here we go. And I am going to use only half of the onion. 1 part of the onion is for the beef, this one, and the other part, the part I cut in smaller pieces, is to cook our cauliflower. Let's cook the cauliflower rice first in this small cooking pot. I am going to use this avocado spray to spray the pan. You can also use olive oil, and my heat is on low to medium right now. The pan is hot. Let's add some of the onion. The onion has been cooking for about 30 to 45 seconds. Let's add some black pepper. It looks perfectly cooked. I'm going to add the cauliflower rice now. This is the first cup. Let's stir the mix. Add some salt to taste. And I'm going to squeeze some lime juice. It smells so good. Let's cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. It is ready. I'm going to set it apart. It is ready for serving. Next, let's cook the beef in this large pan. I'm going to wet the pan with some avocado spray oil again. The pan is now hot on a medium heat. Let's add the slice of beef. And because this pan is very large, I add all my steak at once. And I am cooking on a high heat now. It has been cooking about a minute now. Let's flip it over. It has been cooking for about 2 minutes now. It smells so good. It looks ready to me. Brown it. Yeah. I believe it's ready. I'm just gonna remove it and set it apart. It smells so good. Let's set this one apart. Oh my gosh, it was a very fatty cut. In the same pan, without adding any extra oil, I am going to add the onion. And the bell pepper. Let's stir everything up and cook on low to medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's also add some black pepper. It has been cooking for about 1.5 to 2 minutes now. It looks good to me, and I am going to bring the beef back, the steak back to the pan and stir everything up. My whole house smells so good. It is almost ready. It looks good. It smells good. I am gonna add 1 more tablespoon of teriyaki. I can tell now this is definitely ready. Let me serve it. And this is our meal. It looks great. It tastes good. Low in carbohydrate, high in protein. You can make it low in fat as well. This one is currently high in fat. My recommendation is that if you are on a low fat diet, you can trim your meat, remove all the fat before you cook it. I like mine just the way it is right now. For the macronutrition part of this recipe, we do have an approximate of 50 grams of protein, 9 grams of total carbs, 4 grams of net carbs, 35 grams of lipids of fat. The majority of fat of this recipe comes from the ribeye steak. That's because I did not remove the fat. I did not trim the fat out of the meat. And we do have about 550 calories. Again, if you want to get the calories down, trim out the fat out of your meat. You can get a clean cut. My own one, this one, the one I used, was not clean at all because I do like fat in my steak. If you have gained any value from the video, please like and share. If you would like to be notified the next time I post a new video, please hit the subscribe button. This is a very healthy recipe. Please try it and let me know how it comes up. Do me a favor, please. Share love, spread love around you. Life is so stressful. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate your time. See you next time.